Hey y'all, Merry Christmas. Cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. In my kitchen today, I'm gonna do one of my favorite cookie recipes. It is an oatmeal sandwich cookie. I will post a picture of the recipe in the comments if you're interested in trying and making these. They are decadent, delicious, and everybody loves them. So here's what we're gonna do. I have my oven set at 350 degrees. I'm gonna mix a half cup of margarine, room temperature. We are doing a cookie swap at work tomorrow. Like, everybody just bring their favorite cookie. And so this by far is one of those that I like to take places. People really like them. And then I'm gonna do half of a cup of Crisco, and I'm using butter flavored Crisco, but you can use, you know, the shortening of your choice, okay? We're gonna put that in there, and we're gonna cream that, the sugar and the eggs. I have 2 eggs that's going in. And I'm gonna use 2 cups of brown sugar. I'm using light brown sugar in mine. I've never used dark brown sugar in this recipe, always light brown sugar, but these are delicious cookies. Okay, there's one. And here's 2. Set that to the side. We're going to cream these. Okay, into this bowl, I'm going to put 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Two cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to put in here, let's see, the soda and the cinnamon. I'm going to do a teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 teaspoons of soda. This is a half teaspoon, okay. So I need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Well, that's a half tablespoon. Okay, I'm going to use 2 of those. So 2 teaspoons I'm going to use of cinnamon. The recipe calls for 1. Either way, it's fine. It has 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay. Now, I'm going to slowly add that to the mixture. Add the second half. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to eyeball that. And lastly, I'm going to add 2 cups of quick oats. Okay, just like this, all quick oats. I'm making a mess. What's baking without making a mess, right? you don't have quick oats but you have instant oatmeal, that works just as well. I'm gonna scoop these up and throw these in too. My cabinet is clean. All right, I'm gonna give those a whirl. Okay, these cookies spread out a lot, so use your own judgment of how big you want them to be. You can make them really big, like a whoopie pie, and wrap them individually in clear plastic wrap and refrigerate them, because the icing, which I'm gonna do in a part 2 for you, has cream cheese in it and Cool Whip. Okay, let me get the excess off of here. Okay. Now, I have got my pans already lined with parchment paper. And I'm going to use a small scoop, because as I said, these do spread out a lot. So be careful with that, of how big you want them. I'm gonna put them like 3. Need some separation between them because again, they are gonna spread out. And I'm gonna bake these for 8 to 10 minutes on 350. And then I'm gonna let them cool completely. And while they're cooling, I'm gonna make the yummy filling that goes in these suckers. So good. You could add raisins to these if you're a raisin person. I, for one, am not, so I like mine just as is. And we've been sharing cookie recipes on the vlog. They've been great. It was great to hear from people that follow the page to share their cookie recipes. So there's plenty of them on there if you'll just scroll for the holidays. Okay, again, 350-degree oven. I'm gonna set my timer for 8 minutes and check them. Oatmeal sandwich cookies, y'all. Delicious. Merry Christmas. See ya.